Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Mustaqim bin Osman.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Khidi bin Suaizat.
My name is Nur Zulaika binti Muhammad Nur.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Alia Kristina binti Zubair.
My name is Anis Kristina binti Baharuddin.
This analysis for determine method, user need to enter P or C, and the process of the system will ask the method to use. User need to answer only P or C, and then if user choose C, it will display you choose cache method, and if user choose P, it will display you choose plastic bottle method, and the output is method has been chosen. This analysis for calculate amount of money. User need to input plastic bottle amount and bottle weight. The system will calculate the plastic bottle that user insert and check the condition whether the plastic bottle insert has weight between 6 and 22. The calculation is 1 plastic bottle equals to Rm RM RM. Output is amount of money. This analysis to calculate money balance after donating to charity. Input response of charity yes or no. Process if charity equal to Y, it will display your money has been deducted. If charity equals to N, it will display you choose not to donate to charity. This analysis to calculate money balance if user choose cash method. Input cash. Process display please insert the amount of money and only RM1 and RM5 will be accepted. The system will also ask if user need to add more cash. It will display P balance and the output is money balance. This analysis to purchase item that provide in the vending machine. Input code, display what would you like to order. System will check the P balance before display the item that will provide to user. If P balance more and equals to 1, it will display mineral water. If P balance more and equals to 1 and less and equals to 2, it will display mineral water and Doritos. If P balance more or equals to 2, it will display mineral water, Doritos, M&M, potato, 100 plus, Kit Kat and Milo. User need to enter the code to purchase item. If code less than 1 and more than 7, it will display please enter a valid code.
I will explain about the general flowchart of this program. First, start the program. Then, it will display a message for user to enter method either P or C. If user enter the method that is not P or C, it will ask user to enter the method again. If yes, it will ask user to confirm method use. If user press other than Y or N, it will display error message. If user enter N, the program will ask to enter method again. If user enter Y and the method is P, it will display the user choose plastic bottle method. Then, it will ask user to input amount of plastic bottle. And if the amount is less or equal to 0, it will ask to enter amount again. But if amount is greater than 0, it will ask for bottle weight. If the bottle weight is between 6 grams to 22 grams, it will count the P balance. For cash method, it will get cash from user, and if cash is not 1 or 5 ringgit, it will ask again. If yes, it will count the P balance. To purchase item, it will display the list of foods. If the P balance is greater or equal to 1, it will display mineral water. If P balance is greater or equal to 1, and P balance is less or equal to 2, it will display mineral water and Doritos. If P balance is greater or equal to 2, it will display mineral water, Doritos, M&M, potatoes, 100 plus, Kit Kat and Milo. Then it will get code from user. If code is equal to 0, the program will end. If the balance is not enough, it will display insufficient balance and it will ask user to add more cash or P bottle. If user want to add more cash or P bottle, it will ask to enter cash or P bottle amount again. If no, the program will end.
At the start of our program, we declare 5 headers which are include IOString, windows.hash, IOmoney, string.hash, and unistd.hash. We then declare using namespace std. After that, we declare a struct. The purpose of a struct is to group several related variables into one places. For example, Here we group character, flowchart, float, and integer variable into one places. Next, we declare three function prototype with return value and parameter, which are float donate charity bracket float, float cash method bracket float ampersand, float p bottle method float ampersand int ampersand and int ampersand. Move on to main function. We declare variables which are int p bottle amount equals 0, bottle amount equals 0, total cash equals 0, float p balance equals 0, char resp method charity method resp, and lastly string message. We then declare set iOS flags iOS fix set precision 2 so that the numbers that will be displayed on the output is in two decimal places. To change the text color, we need to declare handle C equals get std handle bracket std output handle. Then we copy names for the items into items array. For this I will use strcopy, which is mineral water will be copied into item index 0.name, items index 0.quantity equals to 7, items index 0.price equals to 1, M&M be copied into item index 1.name, item index 1.quantity equals to 7, item index 1.price equals 2.5. Mr. Potato will be copied into item index 2.name, item index 2.quantity equals to 7, item index 2.price equals to 3. Doritos will be copied to item index 3.name, item index 3.quantity equals to 7, item index 3.price equals to 2. Milo be copied to item index 4.name, item index 4.quantity equals to 7, item index 4.price equals to 3. 100 plus will be copied to item index 5.name, item index 5.quantity equals to 7, item index 5.price equals to 2.5. KitKat will be copied to item index 6.name, item index 6.quantity equals to 7, item index 6.price equals to 3. Next, we declare a do while loop. We then change the text color into green, followed by displaying loading text with a delay of 500 milliseconds for the next output. We make a delay output for 3 times. And then we set the text color to white and display set with 100 set fill equals blank space. The equals character will be displayed for 100 times. Move on to determine method to use. Change the text color to green, then program will ask user which method do you prefer to use and display the table below. Plastic bottle method and cash method. And then we set the text color back to white again and repeat the equal sign again. We then declare do while loop inside the do while loop and display the message P is for plastic bottle method and C is for cash method. The loop will be repeated as long as method is not equals to P and method is not equals to P and method is not equals to C and method is not equals to C. Set text color to yellow and the program will ask user for confirmation the method that they choose. If user input an AND letter, it will repeat the process of determining the method again. If user input other characters other than Y or N, it will display error messages.
This coding is for the P plastic bottle method. We use nested if and the condition method equals to P and method response equals to Y. Display the message that you choose the plastic bottle method. Set control text attribute is to change the color. C6 is for color yellow and C2 is for color green. Then there is nested loop for do while. Outer loop we declare float, bottle weight, And in loop, we call the function p bottom method that has a return value and passing parameter p balance, p bottle amount, and bottle amount. While in a loop is p bottle amount is less or equal to 0. After that, we display loading message and use sleep 500 to delay the message dot 3 times for 500 milliseconds. Then, we display the message for your current balance is P balance and the current plastic bottle inserted is P bottle amount, and display the message, do you want to add more plastic bottle, why or no, while response is yes. If response is N, which is no, the balance will add 2 for the reward the method choose and display your current balance is P balance. And the message for charity, which is RM2, has been added to your balance as a reward for the method that you use. Do you want to donate 2 ringgit for charity, why or no? And if the user choose Y is yes, it will P balance equal to, and we call the function donate charity that has a passing parameter and return value, passing parameter P balance, and display the message your money amount has been deducted, the current balance is RM. Inside the donate charity function, we deducted by 2 and return to the P balance. Else, if the charity is N, we display the message you choose not to donate to charity, your current balance is P balance. After that, the loading message will appear again. The delay is the same, and we declare int code and do while loop. Inside do while loop, we use nested if outer loop. If the condition P balance is less than 1 ringgit, display the message insufficient balance with the color C4 is red. And then inside either in a loop, if the condition method is P, it will display the message, would you like to add more plastic bottle, Y or N? After that, if the response is Y, we call the function P bottom method that has a return value and passing parameter P balance, P bottle amount, and bottle amount. And then the loading message will display again, and the message your current balance is P balance and the current plastic bottle inserted is bottle amount. And in the function that we call for plastic bottle method, we use ampersand for the reference P balance, ampersand int P bottle method, bottle amount, and ampersand bottle amount. And then we declare handle C equals to get std handle, std output handle, so that we can change the color text. After that, we declare float bottle weight and display the message 1 plastic bottle equals to 1 ringgit, and message please insert the total amount of plastic bottle that you want to put and P bottle amount. And then the message, keep in mind that the weight of the plastic bottle under 6 gram and above 22 gram will be rejected.
As if method equal to C, it will display you choose cache method, and it will do the function called cache method in bracket P balance. Then it will ask user, do you want to add more cache, Y or N? When user enter recipe, it will check whether recipe is equal to Y. It will repeat the process again. Float cache method in bracket float and P balance. It has return value and passing parameter. Then we declare in cache and total cache. It will do, please insert the amount of money. Only RM1 and RM5 will be accepted. When user enter cache, it will check if cache is not equal to 1 and cache is not equal to 5. It will display a message, please enter RM1 and RM5 only. Then it will repeat again why cache is not equal to 1 and cache is not equal to 5. If user enter the right amount, it will calculate the P balance. Total cache plus equal cache, P balance equal total cache. Then it will display C out current amount RM, which is P balance. Then it will return the P balance.
As it will display what would you like to order. There is selection control structure. If P balance more or equals to item in bracket 0.price, it will display the item that the price is 1. If p balance more or equals to item in bracket 1 and 5 dot price, it will display item 1. Then if p balance more or equals to item in bracket 2 dot price, it will display item. If p balance more or equals to item in bracket 3 dot price, it will display item 3. If p balance more or equals to item in bracket 4 dot price, it will display item 4. If p balance more or equals to item in bracket 5 dot price, it will display item 5. If p balance more or equals to item in bracket 6 dot price, it will display item 6.
To purchase item, we use do while loop. Inside the do while loop, it display please enter one of the code above to continue your purchases. Click 0 to end the purchase. The loop will be repeated as long as code is less than 0 or code is greater than 7. Next, we use nested if. If code equals to 1 and if p balance less than item code minus 1 dot price, that means item 0 dot price, it will display message, please choose item that is available above only. Then, it will get a character from user using getChar to proceed. Else, it will display the balance and it will display item code minus 1 dot name price to display the item price. And then it will calculate p balance equals to p balance minus item code minus 1 dot price. After that, it will display your balance has been deducted and display the p balance as the change. Else, if the code equals to 2 or code equals to 6 and if the p balance less than item code minus 1 dot price, it will display message please choose item that is available above only. And then we use getChar to proceed. Else, it will display p balance and item code price. Then it will calculate the p balance. P balance equals to p balance minus item code minus 1 dot price. Then it will display the balance has been deducted and display p balance as the change. Else, if code equals to 3 or code equals to 5 or code equals to 7 and if p balance less than item code minus 1 dot price, it will display message please choose item that is available above only. And then we will get a character from user using getChar again to proceed. And then else, it will display balance and then it will display the item price and then it will calculate the p balance equals to p balance minus item code minus 1 dot price, and then it will display the p balance as the change. Else, if code equals to 4 and if p balance less than item code minus 1 dot price, it will display message please choose item that is available above only. And then we will ask a character from user again using getChar to proceed. Else, it will display balance and then it will display the item price. Next, it will calculate p balance and then it will display your balance has been deducted and then it will display p balance as change. Next, as if code equals to 0, it will display thank you for using the vending machine. In this case, we use 0 as the sentinel value to terminate the program. If message is not equal to please choose item that is available above only, it will display please wait and then it will display your item is ready. And then in the next line, it will display please take item and it will display enjoy. Also, we will get a character from user using getChar again. And then to decrease the quantity of each item after purchasing, we use item code minus 1 dot quantity minus equals to 1. And then it will display do you want to make another purchase, Y or N, and if user response is N, it will display thank you for the purchase.
After that, we use for and we initialize the loop control variable int count equals to 1, count less or equal to p bottle amount is for the condition, and count plus plus is update the LCV. And inside of it, we use do and display the enter wait for plastic bottle message and take the bottle weight. If the condition bottle weight is less than 6 or bottle weight is greater than 22, we display the message only bottle weight between 6 and 22 gram will be accepted, while the condition bottle weight is less than 6 or bottle weight is greater than 22. After that, we calculate the P balance. Bottle amount is plus equal to P bottle amount, and then P balance equal to P bottle amount times 1 ringgit, and we return the P balance. For the expected output, this is the sample output for plastic bottle method with the donated charity. As you can see, you have to insert the P letter for plastic bottle method, and you have to insert the total amount of plastic bottle method you want to put, and each of the plastic bottle you have to enter the weight of it, and in the between of 6 gram and 22 gram will be accepted. If else, it will be rejected. After that, this is the list of an item that the machine provide. In this table, it shows the item, the price, the quantity, and the code. The user have to insert the code of the item that the user want to choose, and then it will display the balance, the price, and it will be detected. It will show you your change, and you can take the item. As for the cash method, it will be as for the sample output for cash method, the user have to insert the C letter for cash method and confirming, and it will accept the 1 ringgit and 5 ringgit only. If else, it will be rejected, and you will calculate your amount. And this is for the output for list of item, and buying an item for cash method will be the same because the machine provide the same item, and then after that, this is output for an error message if the balance was insufficient. And it will ask again for inserting more plastic bottle or cash if you wish to continue your purchase.
In conclusion, the system managed to solve the issue of environmental sustainability. This machine collects plastic bottles and changes it into money to buy the items provided by the machine, encouraging people to recycle the products rather than discarding them thoughtlessly. Furthermore, the system also provides an option for users to do a donation, which goes towards supporting various charitable initiatives. Overall, the recycling vending machine not only streamlines the recycling process by introducing user-friendly payment methods, but also contributes to raising awareness about recycling practices. By combining environmental responsibility with convenience and choice, the system has potential to significantly impact public perception of recycling and promote sustainable habits. Besides, it will also add a sense of social responsibility. We hope that this machine not only can encourage individuals to play an important role of reducing an ecological footprint, but also can make a positive impact on our social causes.